Are you tired of typing data again and again? I feel you. Those typos and spelling errors can consume a lot of time, and if there is a function that refers to those cells that you are typing in, then it becomes even more crucial to get it right. Don't worry. Let Excel do it for you with a drop-down list. Welcome back to another episode of Excel. I am your host, Nav, and today I will teach you how to create a drop-down list in Excel. But before that, please make sure you hit the subscribe button for daily updates from this channel if you have not already. Let's get started. Imagine you're working with a list of 20 products, and you are creating a sales dashboard which allows you to see individual products' performance. Now, rather than typing the product name again and again, you want to create a product drop-down list in cell C8. Remember, our product list is in column A in Product List Sheet. Now, click on cell C8, go to Data tab, and then go to Data Tools section, click on Data Validation, select Data Validation again, and now you will be able to see three main tabs: Settings, Input Message, and Error Alert. Let's start with Settings for now, and we will cover Input Message and Error Alert later. In the Allow dropdown, we will select List, and then in the Source section, I will select our product list, which is in cell A2 to A21 on Product List. Now click OK, and we have our product list ready. But if you feel there might be other users who would use this file, and they might not have any idea about what they are supposed to do when they select this cell, in that case, you can leave an input message as well. Let's do it. Go to Input Message tab, and then in the title section, let's say Product List. And in the message section, let's type Choose a product from the drop-down list. Click OK, and when you select cell C8 again, your input message will pop up. But what if the user still end up putting a wrong input value in cell C8, which does not match the drop-down list? Well, in that case, Excel would not take that input. It will return an error message to the user saying, "This value does not match the data validation restrictions defined for this cell." It is good that Excel would not consider any other input in this cell now, but the error message could have been more clearer. To do that, go to Error Alert, and let's just type invalid input in the title, and then put please select a predefined value from the drop-down list. Now you can choose the style of the error message as well. You can select from stop, warning, and information. Our error message sounds more like instruction or information, so let's go with that. Now click OK. Now try typing any random input in cell C8, which does not match the drop-down list, just to see if our error alert is popping correctly or not. And there you have it. By inserting a drop-down list, we have now left no room for invalid inputs or spelling errors. We will cover lookup functions in the next couple of videos that will need correct inputs to function properly, and creating a drop-down list is just the perfect way to do it. Now, it's your turn. Try creating a drop-down list on your own, and then play with the input message or error alert as you want. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, comment if there is anything I can help you with. Also, don't forget to hit subscribe button so that you don't miss my daily updates. I will see you in the next video.